Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best oatmeal cookies. We'll start by gathering our ingredients. For truly delicious cookies, always choose fresh, high-quality items. Make sure your unsalted butter is softened to room temperature. This is crucial for a smooth dough. And remember, old-fashioned rolled oats are key for that perfect chewy texture, so skip the instant kind. Let's get baking. Now let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter with 1 cup of packed light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Beat this mixture until it's light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, add 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Finally, gradually incorporate your dry ingredients, mixing only until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies. With our base dough ready, it's time for the star ingredient, the oats. Gently fold in 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. If you like, add 1 cup of raisins, chocolate chips, or chopped nuts now. Next, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, until the edges are golden. Once your delicious oatmeal cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 to 3 minutes. This helps them firm up before you move them. Then, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents the bottoms from becoming soggy. For optimal freshness, store your cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay wonderfully soft and chewy for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.